This is the DT6000 pin assignment. We see there are three modules. One is the relay function module and another for the external reader module, and this one is the RJ45 module. This one has a power connection, VCC ground. It will be a 12 volt power supply, and we have an optional RS232 communication, but currently we are not using that. And the relay is COM1, NO1, NC1, COM1, NO1 is relay 1, and NC2, COM2, NO2 is relay 2, and this one is for relay outputs, out1 and out2 for relay outputs. In1, in2, in3, in4 is for push buttons and sensor inputs. This one is for the reader, external reader connection. We are using Vegan 26 bits external reader. So the reader pins are D0, D1. We have two 26 bit Vegan interfaces. So we can connect two external readers for DT6000. This is D0, D1 for Vegan reader number 1. D0, D1 number 2 is for Vegan number 2. And this is for digital output connection. And this one is for RS485 connection. This channel high and low is not used for now, so we ignore that pins. This is the pin diagram description. We connect the RJ45 cable for internet network connection. This is the RJ45 section. So this is the three main section at the DT6000 pin diagram. Now we'll see at the hardware how the connection goes. As seen in the pin diagram, we see the three section. This is 1, 2, 3 section. At the first section, we connect the power 12 volt adapter, VCC ground. This is plus minus VCC ground, and this one is for relay. This is for relay. We are connecting an external lamp to show a valid transaction. If the transaction is valid, it glows. Otherwise, it doesn't glow. So instead of we can use an EM lock or an external lamp. In this case, we are using a lamp. So this lamp is connected to the relay. The lamp positive is connected to positive power supply. This is the lamp positive connected to positive of the power supply. The lamp negative is this black wire. This is connected to COM1. The black wire, that is the negative of the lamp, is connected to COM1, and the negative of the power supply is connected to NO1. The lamp positive is connected to positive of the power supply, negative of the lamp is connected to COM1, and negative of the power supply is connected to NO1. So this is the relay connection for external lamp. If we are using EM lock, the connection is the same, except that we have to connect the negative of the power supply to NC1 in case of EM lock. In case of lamp, we connect NO1. So this is the relay connection. The external reader is this one. This is a Vegan 26 bit external reader. So this reader has 4 pins, 2 pins for power supply and 2 pins for D0 and D1 for the DT6000. The plus and the negative is connected to power supply, red and black, and the yellow and white is for D0, D1. White wire is for D0 and yellow wire is for D1. So this one data 0, data 1 input lines for DT6000. This is the reader. This one is the connection part. In case if you want to connect for the network, we have to connect the RJ45 cable here. So this is the basic connection for DT6000. In case if we are using push button, you can use IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4, the 4 pins here. That one is used for push button or sensor inputs. That's all for the connection part.